Hi, good day. My name is Peggy Howell, and I've been a patient at this Dr. Bergman Family Chiropractic for almost 15 years. And I met Dr. DeWitt, Dr. John DeWitt. It's been about 5 years, is that right? Maybe 6?
I'll have to take off my blue blockers.
Okay.
I think so.
I think it's been about 6, maybe 7.
May have been 7, yeah.
7 years, anyway, a length of time. And I typically come in about twice a week. My initial concern was migraine headaches, and I had a amazing curve in my back, much like the 405 at the 110. And
Sarcasm.
yes, it works every time. So anyway, the road to wellness is this chiropractic practice and Dr. John DeWitt. He has changed my life while changing my neck and my spine, and he not only knows the anatomy, he specifically understands the proactive cure, which will bring you back to your wellness. And I would highly recommend that you come, listen to what they say, practice what is preached, and you too will be well.
Very nice.
John.
Thanks,
Thank
Peggy.
you.